Hello everyone, this is Paul from Incognito Samples, and today I'm gonna show you how to make drop like Byor Filled Away. Let's get started. Okay guys, all as usual, drums is very similar to the original, and you can hear that the kick from the style of hip hop or trap. Now it's very fashionable in house music. Let's look at the synthesis. One voices, send to filter, adjust it, and the main thing of this synth is modulation of pitch. And what about sound processing of this synth? There is nothing special, our favorite chain of plugins. Actually, I'm thinking of this skip it because it's too burden, you know? We will make a separate tutorial on created effects. And now let's get to the main point. You can see two layers of bass. First layer, this is sub, and second, main bass. There is nothing special, one voices, rig, send to filter, and adjust modulation 1. And bass sub without processing. The sound is processed in the main bass groove. There are already two oscillators. First oscillator, you can see one voices, rig, nothing special. Second oscillator, 8 voices, rig off, detune, small stereo reduction, and a little bit volume reduction. What about filter control? All as usual, filter type low pass, 24 decibels, adjust handles, and modulation, envelope 1. Need to send to cutoff A and B, also send resonance A and B, and modulation envelope 2. Need to send to pitch A and B. Also, not much distortion. So guys, this is a typical closed bass. Here everything is always simple. The main thing is to understand how the synthesis works. And if you are too lazy, you can always download free presets from our site. We remove the low frequencies from the main bass because we have a separate sub bass. Here I think without comments, everything is in altered editions. On the master channel, as usual, only the limiter. Okay, let's wrap it up. Thank you for watching this video. All presets and samples you can download for free from our website. Have a nice day.